Today we're making this velvety smooth and delicious roasted cauliflower soup that's really easy. Let's get started. We're gonna start by lining our baking sheet with parchment paper and placing our cauliflower florets right on top. I'm also adding some whole garlic cloves to roast them at the same time. Up next, I'm going to drizzle a little olive oil right over the top of these and then season them with some pepper, salt, and some cumin. By the way, I'm gonna leave all the measurements and temperatures plus a link to print out the recipe right below the video for you. Now these are going in the preheated oven to roast for about 30 minutes, and then we're gonna remove it from the oven when it's nice and golden, and we're gonna set them aside. In my soup pot, I'm gonna heat up a little olive oil and saute my onion. I'm gonna cook it until it's nice and tender for about 3 minutes or so, stirring throughout. Then I add the broth, a little half and half or cream, and a bay leaf. We're gonna bring this to a simmer and then add the roasted cauliflower and garlic into the pot. We wanna bring everything to a boil and then reduce the heat and simmer this for about 10 minutes. Now before we turn this into a smooth soup, make sure to turn off the heat and remove the bay leaf. After that, you can use a regular blender to make the soup by blending it in smaller batches, or use an immersion blender like I'm doing to make the soup nice and velvety smooth. Now check out how thick and cozy this soup is right in the pot. Let's ladle some right into a bowl, and I'm adding a few cauliflower florets right on top for garnish that I reserved on the side, and all we have to do is bring a spoon and enjoy. Make sure to check out this next video for a great recipe and all the details below. See you guys next time.